Today we are learning how to fix the Hero 5 session mic problem. So, have you been having trouble when you click record, the mic just cuts out for no reason? I've been there too, and thankfully I figured it out, and you may be on the verge of figuring out. It's pretty simple stuff. So, let's figure this out together, shall we? Now, for most people, just to get this out of the way, you need a 2-ring mic adapter. If it's not 2-ring, it's not going to work in the first place. So, don't be that idiot. Have a 2-ring mic adapter. Now, also, you need the GoPro adapter. If you don't have the GoPro adapter, then how are you even using the mic in the first place? Now, simply, we open the side of the GoPro. Yes. We insert the mic adapter, right? Correct. And then from there, we plug up the mic. Wowee, really hard so far, I know. Please keep watching, you might learn something new. So, from here, this is where it gets interesting, right? So, on the back of the GoPro Hero session where my finger is pointing, you have to press that. I don't know why, but you have to press it. See, you saw it, it's kind of blurry, but it said mic OK. Now, that is when you're good. Then you can press the button. Now, for most people, they're like, oh, the mic is okay? Well, let's just hit record now. No, you have to press the back button, and then you can press the record button after it says mic okay. And you have to do this every single time you record, right? Or else it's just not going to work. And so for most people, that is a little bit annoying, and we really hope that this is fixed in a later software update, and hopefully this video will not be needed anymore. Well, actually, I kind of want the views, so yeah, we need this video. Either way, hope you guys found this very useful. Really, it was a great fix for me. It worked for me. Basically, I'm going to plug in 2 examples real quick so you guys can hear the audio, maybe compare if it's the same problem or not. If it's not the same problem, I'm really sorry. Hopefully you can get it fixed. Post down in the comments what your trouble is, and maybe I can help you fix it. And other than that, I will see you in the next one. Peace out. And as you could tell, it cut out my mic right away, so basically let's move to the second one where I actually use the fix, which is clicking the mode button and then hitting the record. Okay, so basically I just hit the back button, the mode button, and then I hit record, and now the audio is working. So there's the fix for me. Hopefully this works for you. See you in the next one.